Well, hey, welcome back, everybody. I am super excited, and I hope you are too. Boy, this market, what an incredible market, especially after last night's incredible training that we haven't done in over 8 months, showing my live trades, going ahead and teaching, looking at markets that you guys asked me to look at, individual stocks and that, giving you my thoughts on them. Just a great evening. Well, so we'll talk more about that in just a minute. But as we look here with the market, what we're looking at going into Friday and beyond. Key things that I'm focusing on here. One of the biggest things I'm looking at, to be quite honest, is what you're seeing here in front of me on the far left. This is the daily chart of the S&P, and you'll notice these magenta lines here. Basically, we're stuck. This is a 16-month resistance level in the market, and let me look at it too from a weekly perspective here as well. So this is a 16-month resistance level. If we were to go back here and take a look, you'll notice this right back here going into earlier 2021. We were hitting this as resistance. And then as you move it forward, you can see a lot of open, high, low, close touch points there. And then as we continue on, we came down near those levels, bounced off them again. And then you'll see a lot of activity this year, open, highs, lows, closes in those different areas as well. So a very clear level that I've been pointing out for a while. So now here we are right back at that level, and that also happens to be the top end of the channel on the SPY as well. Super important area if we're really going to get serious about long side trades beyond short-term swing trades, which, by the way, we're going to do a special event this Saturday here to follow on to what we did last night. And we're going to show you some more swing trading that just got completed here today. Ted, who, of course, everybody loves Ted because he's just like so many of you out there, full-time professions and swing trading, and so he's going to be talking a little bit on Saturday about that. I'll be showing you some of the live trading like that I focused on today. So here we are, we're at this key resistance now, and so if you're going to get real serious about those swing trades beyond this, we've got to get through, make this resistance a support level. So we're going to be watching that because it is resistance until it is proven support. So in the meantime, like Ted's focusing on the short-term swing trades. We'll talk about that Saturday. I went ahead and focused on short-term intraday trading here. We had a really beautiful trade setup from just last night that we went ahead and showed you. It went in, took off, and it went really nicely up. You see it both on like the 1-minute chart here and the 5-minute chart. And I'm going to walk through all this with you on Saturday as well, and a trading that I do tomorrow. So this is good. This is really great. We got these key resistance levels and a lot of opportunity off of them. And you'll see as we pulled back from those levels earlier, the market went ahead and dropped down after firing off sell signals, pushed back down through the channel, went down there off that key resistance. That's how important that key resistance is right now. So we'll be talking about that key resistance. We'll be talking about my trading. We'll be talking about Ted's trading. So make sure you join us this Saturday, becomeabettertrader.com/go to build on what we did. I'll look at more of your individual ideas and tell you what I'm seeing with those, and do more training, more teaching, and can't wait to see you Saturday morning. So it's going to be 10 o'clock a.m. Eastern, 9 o'clock Central, 7 a.m. Pacific. You do not want to miss it. Clear your schedule, whatever you had. It's well worth it, as you guys saw last night, especially as we build even more on there from last night's training. So gang, have a wonderful rest of the evening. Can't wait to go ahead and see you here Saturday morning, and looking forward to sharing more trading with you guys. Take care. Have a great night. See you then. Bye-bye.